welcome to Mooneys Garage here on the Lone Mile Road. Check out this stunning 232 Hyundai Kona N Line available for sale. It comes with the full N-Line body kit, and you also get those 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. There's front and rear parking sensors, and again a sporty interior with the N logos throughout the cabin and red stitching on the bucket seats as well. It has the 1 litre turbo petrol engine. It comes with a 6-speed gearbox. You've got heated seats, heated steering wheel. You've got keyless entry with push button start. There's also wireless phone charging, and you've got more USB connections there. Dual climate control with aircon, and the touchscreen radio has your sat nav and again your reverse parking camera with your front and rear parking guides. Voice activated Bluetooth autonomous cruise control. You've got the N logo and red stitching on the leather steering wheel. Front and rear electric windows and electric adjustable and retractable wing mirrors coming as standard. 8,300 kilometres on the clock. It's fully serviced here at Mooneys, and of course will come with the remainder of its Hyundai unlimited mileage warranty.